Have you ever woken up with your skin feeling like it's in need of a drink, but you just don't have time for a full skincare routine? Well, the solution might be simpler than you think. Today, let's talk about Dr.Jart Cicapair Sleepair Intensive Repair Night Mask, an overnight treatment designed to give your skin the hydration and repair it needs while you sleep. If you're interested in boosting your skin's resilience and waking up to a glowing complexion, this product might be the answer. Before we dive into my experience with this product, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a beauty tip from Beautyistic. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on our honest reviews and expert insights. All right, let's get into it. Dr.Jart Plus has built a solid reputation in the skincare world, and their Cicapair Sleepair Intensive Repair Night Mask is no exception. The key ingredient here is Centella Asiatica, a powerhouse herb known for its skin-soothing properties. This mask promises to hydrate your skin, help repair your skin barrier, and leave you with that coveted glass skin glow by morning. It's alcohol-free, paraben-free, and also free from formaldehyde and gluten, perfect for those looking to avoid harsh ingredients. The mask is a gel-based formula that's unscented, which I really appreciate because it minimizes the chance of irritation. Now let's talk about how this product actually performs. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say I'm impressed. The texture is lightweight and smooth, and it applies easily without feeling greasy or sticky. It feels like a cool, soothing layer on the skin when you apply it, perfect for that end-of-day wind down. After applying, it absorbs pretty quickly, but I noticed that it still leaves a slight layer on the skin, almost like a protective veil, which I found reassuring because it gave me the feeling that the product was really working to lock in moisture overnight. The real test came when I woke up the next morning. My skin felt hydrated, and there was definitely a noticeable glow. It wasn't the kind of dewy glow that some moisturizers give, but more of a subtle, healthy radiance. My skin also felt softer and smoother, which is always a plus. I didn't experience any irritation or breakouts, which can sometimes happen with more potent skincare products. One of the things I love most about this product is how easy it is to incorporate into my routine. I'm a busy person, and the last thing I want to do at night is a complicated skincare ritual. This mask gives me results without the hassle of a 10-step regimen. However, there are a couple of things to note. First, it is a bit on the pricier side for a night mask, especially considering that you get 2.53 fel-odds of product. I'd say it's a splurge, but one that could be worth it for those looking for a skin barrier repair product or those with sensitive skin who need something calming and hydrating. In terms of value for money, I think it really depends on what you're looking for. If you're in need of deep hydration, skin barrier repair, and a glowing complexion, this product definitely delivers. However, if you're just looking for a basic moisturizer, you could find cheaper alternatives that may give you similar results. Comparing it to other overnight masks on the market, Dr.Jart Plus stands out for its use of Centella Asiatica, which is a tried and true ingredient for repairing and soothing the skin. Many other masks in the same price range may offer hydration, but don't necessarily focus on repairing the skin barrier as much as this one does. As for the build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. Nothing too fancy, but definitely effective. The jar is sturdy, and the gel consistency ensures that the product doesn't dry out or become too thick to apply. If you're wondering how long this product lasts, I would say that a little goes a long way. I've been using it consistently for a couple of weeks now, and I still have plenty left. It seems to have a long shelf life, so it's not something you'll need to repurchase too frequently, even if you use it regularly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try this, the link is in the comments. Now, let's talk about alternatives. If you're on a budget, there are some other overnight masks that provide hydration, though they may not have the same barrier repairing qualities as this one. For example, the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask is a great alternative for hydration, but it doesn't have the soothing Centella Asiatica that this one does. To wrap it up, The Dr.Jart Cicapair Sleepair Intensive Repair Night Mask is a solid option for anyone looking to repair their skin barrier, boost hydration, and wake up with glowing skin. The price might be a bit high for some, but if you're serious about your skincare and want to target skin resilience, this could be a worthwhile investment. I highly recommend it for those with sensitive skin or anyone looking to replenish their skin overnight. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.